Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to become a Java developer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a Java developer. To become a Java developer, you'll need to follow a series of steps to gain the necessary skills and knowledge. Here's a roadmap to help you get started. Number 1, learn the basics of programming. If you're new to programming, start by learning the fundamentals of computer programming concepts and logic. Understand the concepts like variables, control structures, if statements, loops, data types, and basic algorithms. Number 2, study Java syntax. Java has its own syntax and rules. Familiarize yourself with the Java programming language by studying its syntax, keywords, and core concepts like classes, objects, and inheritance, polymorphism, and exception handling. Number 3, set up a development environment. Install the Java Development Kit or JDK on your computer, which include the Java compiler and other essential tools. You'll also need a text editor or an integrated development environment IDE like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans to write and test your Java code. Number 4, learn object-oriented programming or OOP. Java is an object-oriented programming language, so understanding OOP principles is crucial. Study concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Practice designing classes and objects to solve problems. Number 5, master core Java concepts. Gain a solid understanding of essential Java topics such as data types, operators, control statements, arrays, strings, collections, example list, and maps and generics. Explore topics like file handling, input-output operations, and exception handling. Number 6, dive into Java frameworks and libraries. Familiarize yourself with popular Java frameworks and libraries that are widely used in the industry. Some important ones include Spring Framework, Hibernate, Apache Struts, JavaFX, and JUnit for testing. Learn how to integrate these frameworks into your applications. Number 7, practice coding. The best way to become proficient in Java is to write code regularly. Solve programming problems, programming challenges, work on small projects, and practice implementing different concepts and algorithms in Java. Utilize online coding platforms, participate in open source projects, or join coding communities to gain experience and receive feedback. Number 8, build projects. Start building your own Java projects to apply your knowledge and showcase your skills. This will give you hands-on experience in developing real-world applications and help you understand the software development cycle. Number 9, learn database basics. Java developers often work with databases to store and retrieve data. Learn SQL or structured query language to interact with databases and understood concepts like table creation, data manipulation, and querying using Java Database Connectivity or JDBC. Number 10, stay up to date. The technology landscape is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest Java versions, frameworks, libraries, and best practices. Follow industry blogs, read books, participate in online forums, and attend meetups or conferences to stay connected with the Java community. Number 11, consider certifications. While not mandatory, earning certifications can validate your Java skills and boost your resume. Oracle offers several Java certifications including Oracle Certified Associate or OCA and Oracle Certified Professional or OCP for Java SE or Standard Edition. Remember, becoming a proficient Java developer takes time and practice. It's important to have a growth mindset, be patient with yourself, and continuously strive to improve your coding abilities. Good luck on your Java development journey. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to become a Java developer. Thank you so much for watching and support in my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.